Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. Vrbo, found at www.vrbo.com, offers a vast selection of vacation rental properties worldwide, catering to diverse travel needs and preferences. Whether you're seeking a cozy cabin nestled in the mountains, a beachfront villa with breathtaking ocean views, or a stylish city apartment, Vrbo likely has a suitable option for you. The platform boasts an extensive inventory of homes, condos, and other unique accommodations, providing travelers with a wide range of choices to suit various budgets and group sizes. Searching for your ideal getaway is made easy with Vrbo's user-friendly interface and powerful search filters. You can refine your search by specifying your desired location, travel dates, number of guests, and preferred amenities, such as pet friendliness, pools, or hot tubs. Vrbo's detailed property listings provide comprehensive information about each rental, including photos, descriptions, guest reviews, and pricing. This transparency empowers travelers to make informed decisions and select the perfect accommodation for their trip. Beyond simply connecting travelers with property owners, Vrbo facilitates secure online booking and payment processes, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience. They also offer resources and support to both travelers and property owners, addressing any questions or concerns that may arise. In essence, Vrbo strives to provide a comprehensive platform that simplifies the vacation rental process from start to finish. With its extensive selection, user-friendly tools, and commitment to customer satisfaction, Vrbo has established itself as a popular and trusted resource for travelers seeking memorable vacation experiences. From family reunions to romantic getaways and solo adventures, Vrbo offers a world of possibilities for your next trip. So, whether you're planning a short weekend escape or an extended vacation, be sure to check out Vrbo and discover the perfect home away from home.